Have you ever wondered why your city feels like a furnace during the summer? It's a question that's been on the lips of many as we swelter under the intense heat. But this isn't just a case of a few extra degrees on the thermometer. We're talking about heat waves, a phenomenon that's becoming alarmingly common in Indian cities. These heat waves aren't your run-of-the-mill summer days. We're seeing temperatures soar to unprecedented heights, and it's happening with alarming frequency. It's as if our cities have turned into giant, sizzling frying pans, trapping us in a relentless cycle of heat. What's more, these aren't isolated events. Every summer, the story repeats itself, with each chapter more intense than the last. It's clear that we're dealing with a pattern, a trend that's been developing over the years and shows no signs of abating. So what's causing these extreme heat waves, you may ask? Let's break it down. First up, we have global warming. As we burn fossil fuels and release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, we're essentially wrapping the Earth in a thick blanket, trapping the heat. Next, we have the urban heat island effect. Picture this: concrete jungles replacing green landscapes, absorbing more heat during the day and releasing it at night. This results in cities being significantly warmer than the surrounding rural areas. Lastly, deforestation is playing a crucial role too. Trees, our natural air conditioners, are being cut down at alarming rates. With fewer trees, there's less evaporation and consequently less cooling. Each of these factors in isolation is like a spark, but together they create a fire that is causing temperatures to rise relentlessly. It's a domino effect, and we are setting the dominoes in motion. But what does this mean for us living in the city? Let's take a moment to dive deeper into the repercussions of these increasingly common heat waves. Firstly, the health hazards are a major concern. As the mercury rises, the risk of heat strokes and dehydration escalates. These conditions aren't to be taken lightly, as they can be life-threatening if not treated promptly. Moreover, the heat waves put a heavy strain on our power grids. With the temperature soaring, we all turn to our air conditioning units for relief, causing an unprecedented demand for electricity. The power infrastructure is not equipped to handle this surge, leading to blackouts and power shortages. Additionally, the oppressive heat impacts our daily lives and productivity. It becomes challenging to carry out even the most mundane tasks when the heat is relentless. The heat waves are turning our cities into pressure cookers, affecting our health, our resources, and our lives. So what can we do about it, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in our hands, in the choices we make and the actions we take. To combat the rising heat waves, we can start by increasing the green cover in our cities. Planting more trees not only provides shade, but also helps in regulating the temperature. Next, promoting sustainable practices is key. This may involve using renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and adopting water conservation measures. And let's not forget the importance of investing in climate-resilient infrastructure. Buildings designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, roads that can handle high temperatures, and public spaces that provide shelters during peak heat hours are all part of this crucial step. But remember, we are in this together. Every small step, every minor change in our habits can contribute to a larger impact. Every action counts, and we need to start now.